Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PyCharm, that is PyCharm UNIFIED version 2025.1 on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to your favorite browser and then you need to search over here PyCharm download, hit enter. So that will show you this JetBrains.com link, so just simply go to their official site. So this link I am going to provide right in your channel description. Here you need to accept these cookies and all, and then you will see that our PyCharm UNIFIED version is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. So we are going to switch to Windows and we are going to download the PyCharm UNIFIED one. So you can see it is rightly started downloading. Now what is PyCharm UNIFIED version? So PyCharm UNIFIED version is just an integrated product of both community and a professional one. So earlier they used to have these two different products like PyCharm Ultimate and then PyCharm Community. So now both these two products are integrated into a single unified product. So now you can opt for their 1 month free trial, and then if you want to purchase their product you can purchase, or else you can just simply continue with the free version as well. So every single thing I'm going to show you on this video itself, you don't need to worry. Just minimize our browser and go to our download directory, and here is our latest version of PyCharm 2025.1, the unified version, and the file size is 825 MB. So simply double click on the installer to install it locally on our system. So it will ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and there you go. So welcome to PyCharm setup. Just simply click on next. So this is where our PyCharm is going to be installed, totally fine. Just simply click on next, and here under installation options you'll be seeing all these different links. So just keep on selecting every single checkbox, and that's the most important part, that add to bin folder path. Always select that and then just simply click on next. So ready to be installed, click on install, and our PyCharm installation is rightly started. So by the time it gets installed, you can always refer to our Python project playlist. So here I keep on posting new videos every week. So starting from how to remove background to how to convert some JPEGs into a single combined PDF. You can also create your very own QR code which will have your own encoded data which only you will be able to see, or the person who are going to scan it. You can even convert the text that you are typing on your computer, so that text you can convert that into a handwritten one, and that too it will look very realistic. So that's one of my favorite projects. Another my favorite project is this turning into text into a realistic speech. So I am sure you're going to love this if you're watching this playlist. So don't forget to watch this playlist. You can try it out. You can add all this project to your resume, which will help you to get job on Python developers role. So yeah, don't forget to watch all these different videos on Python. I'm sure you're going to love it. Here let's wait for a couple of minutes, and you can see that it is rightly done now. And now you can clearly see that our PyCharm is now rightly installed. So here you have a couple of options. One is reboot now, and whether you like to manually reboot later. I'll always recommend you to reboot your system now, and then again you can come back to this video. I'll be also doing the same. So welcome back. So after successfully rebooting your system, you'll be again coming back to your desktop, and here is our PyCharm desktop shortcut. So simply double click on that shortcut to open it locally on our system, and you can see that our PyCharm is rightly started launching, and there you go. So here is our PyCharm user agreement. You must read this and confirm, and then you to just simply click on continue. So that's going to immediately ask you to provide permission to firewall. We don't want anything to be blocked by firewall. We want all the features to be enabled for PyCharm. So for that, just simply click on allow, and there you go. So our PyCharm is rightly open. So here under import settings, just simply click on skip import, because we are launching it for the first time and we are going to start it from scratch. So welcome to PyCharm. This is our interface. So you can maximize this. So here on this latest PyCharm unified version, they have also incorporated Jupyter notebook. So all those I'm going to show you on the coming part of the video, so just keep watching this video. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project. So just simply click on this new project, and that will open this new project window. Here I need to give you a project name. So let's give the project name as Hello World, and let's also check this create a welcome script. So here is our Python interpreter. So we have all these different Python versions. So I recommend you to install latest version of Python if you haven't already. Once you have Python installed, you will be able to see all these different versions. And now let's start creating our project. So I'm going to select the default one and going to click on create. So that's going to immediately ask you for administrative privileges. So just simply click on yes, and there you go. So you can see that our PyCharm is rightly open. So it has also given you a free 30-day trial. So that is also rightly enabled. So after 30 days, what you need to do, how to cancel it or how to continue it. So everything I'm going to show you, no need to worry. So just keep watching this video. So here you can see there are currently 3 very important processes are running. So let's wait for some more time to finishing all these different tasks. So like updating indexes, then updating Python interpreter, with scanning files to index, all that. So it's going to take some significant amount of time, about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's wait for some more time to get it finished. And after finishing, I'm going to again come back to this video. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that all of our background processes is now completed, and here is our main.py file that is also rightly opened. So when you click on this what's new on PyCharm tab, you can see that they have really created a very beautiful article. You can always read this. And when you switch to this trial tab, you can see again they have created a very beautiful article, and you can see that our 30-day trial is also rightly started. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this what happens after the pro trial ends. So everything I'm going to show you how to end your trial and everything. So for that, you need to just simply click on the search icon, and then you need to just simply type manage over here. Once you know, when you type manage, you will get this manage licenses options. So just click on that manage license, and you will get this manage license window over here. So here you can see that we already have a subscription running. So that will be valid through 30th of May 2025, because I have started on 1st of May. So after 30 days, that license is going to end. But I'm just going to show you now how to remove that subscription, so that you don't need to worry about any money or anything. Or if you just simply want to use PyCharm, you can use it for completely free. So for that, just click on this remove subscription. You can always use 30 days, and after that you can remove the subscription if you want, or if you want to buy that also you can do, just into purchase it. That's it. So just simply click on this remove subscription to remove any subscription, and that will open this remove subscription window. Here just simply click on remove subscription. So immediately it's going to come back to the screen, and here we have a button called continue for free. Just simply click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to immediately show you this unloading plugins and all, and after that it's going to tell you to restart your PyCharm. So that's a necessary step. So just click on restart, and that's going to again relaunch our PyCharm. And there you go. So now you can see a unlock pro option is rightly created. So if you want to again switch back to pro, that also you can do by just simply clicking on that button. So you can again go to search, and you can just simply type manage to get that manage licenses window, and here you can just simply purchase a subscription. You can use it. Alright. So yeah, so that's pretty much about PyCharm Unified one, and now let's write some Python code. So just wiped out all the stuff from main.py and write a simple print statement. So let's print something like hello world, and just simply click on that run button. So immediately you're going to see that it's going to actually started building our project, and after that it's going to create a hello world output on our console. Now let's see how to generate a Jupyter notebook file. So for that, let's click on the program that we have created, that file name of our Python program, that is main.py. So right click on it and just simply scroll down till bottom, and you'll get this convert to Jupyter notebook. So just simply click on that. So that's going to open this window. Here our main.ipynb file is also rightly created. So just simply click on OK, and immediately we'll see a main.ipynb file is actually created over here. So when you double click on it, you're going to get that file rightly open within PyCharm. So that's one of the very beautiful thing they have incorporated on this latest version. So now you don't need to install Jupyter notebook separately. You can use that within PyCharm itself. So when you click on that run button, it's going to immediately start creating the Jupyter notebook server. So first it's going to install that Jupyter notebook package, and then it's going to start it within PyCharm. So let's wait for some more time to finish indexing, and there you go. Now you can see the output coming on our Jupyter notebook cell. So you can create your Python program right on Jupyter notebook, and you can print the summation of these two numbers, that is a plus b, and you're getting the output also coming on our console, right? That is 8 plus 9, 17. So in this way you can easily install latest version of PyCharm, that is PyCharm unified version, and you can start working on your Python projects right on PyCharm unified version. Don't forget to watch our Python playlist. So here you'll get a lot of videos as I mentioned. So don't forget to watch our other Python videos on our channel. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.